Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to make the delete key on MacBooks actually do a backspace inside of Emacs rather than do a forward delete. So I'm just going to make a new Emacs file here and say we write out hello and then we press the delete key. Nothing happens because it's trying to delete forwards. So let's go into Terminal, Preferences, Advanced, and then you need to go to Profiles first and then Advanced, and then say delete since Control H, because Control H is usually the backspace shortcut in a lot of these text editors. So let's exit out of this and press the delete key, and as you can see now it does a backwards delete rather than a forwards delete. So that's about it guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.